Good morning, boys and girls. We are in our new morning workbook. It is bright blue. The first page should be Unit 2, Week 1, Day 1. And so here are your directions for number 1. You're going to fix it up. It says, humming is the hard part. Number 2, did he score a point? Then we got our daily math review. Then down here at the bottom, we've got 21 geese are on the lake. 34 ducks are also on the lake. How many birds are on the lake? So you're going to figure out the sum of the birds, or the geese. Well, birds, I guess, is geese and ducks. Number 7, write both the standard and word forms of this number. So if you have 7 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones, what number is that? And then write the word form for it. Number 8, you're going to write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. So we have 65, 70, 75, blank, 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 blank. And then down here we're making tens. So if 7 plus 3 equals 10, 10 plus what equals 10? 7 plus 4 equals 11, so 10 plus what equals 11? And keep going. Alright, pause your video and then we can check them together. Alright, let's go ahead and check these together. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Alright, so for number 1 we got humming is the hard part. Humming is spelled incorrectly and it needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. So the word hum is H-U-M. So if we want this U to be short, we have to double the M's, double the consonant. So H-U-M-M-I-N-G. Humming is the hard does not have an E, right? So we're going to circle hard. Write it correctly over top, H-A-R-D, part, period. That looks good. So I'm going to rewrite it. Okay, there's number 1. Number 2, let's see, move this out of the way. Did he score a point? So score is spelled incorrectly. Score is S-C, not S-K. So S-C, and then O-R-E, makes the OR sound. Did he score a point? And this should be a question mark because we're asking something. So we're going to rewrite number 2. Alright, there's number 2. We'll scroll down and do the daily math review. Remember, you can pause if I'm going too fast to check your answers. Daily math review. We've got, let's see, 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 4 plus 5 is also 9. Alright, so we had 21 geese on the lake, and we had 24 ducks on the lake. How many birds were on the lake? So we need to add 21 plus 24. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So there were 45 birds on the lake. Write the standard and word forms of this number. So 7 hundreds, so 7 in the hundreds place, 8 tens, and 4 ones, so you should have gotten 784. And then the word form, I'm going to write out. Okay, and I know I say this every time. If it's not spelled correct, it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as I can read it. So that means you tried your best on your spelling and spelled out all the sounds that you hear in those words. 748, and then also make sure that you have that dash or hyphen right between the 80 and the 4 to separate your tens and ones. Okay, number 8, write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. So we got 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and you could use your 100 chart to help you, the green 100 chart I gave you in your folder, 90, then we got 95. Alright, then over here we're making 10, so let's see. So 7 and 3, so 7 and 3 is 10, so 10 plus 0 is 10. And then 7 and 4 is 11, right? So we have to make 11 over here, so 10 plus 1 equals 11. And then 7 and 5 is 12, so we have to make 12 over here, so 10 plus 2 equals 12. Alright, nice work. Head over to your Reading Street lesson.